All right, what's up, everybody? It's Major coming back at you with part 4. I'm still rolling, so I'm gonna keep filming. Make good use of this time. Get some videos out of the way. So I promise you, part 4, we're talking about cryptocurrencies and the stock market. Should you invest in it? Should you not? Are you already invested in it? And maybe even discuss a little bit, making sure your exposure isn't too high in that area. The crypto stuff that I've dealt with, I got in when Bitcoin was like 2,300 a coin, but I didn't have a lot of capital at that time to invest in something totally unknown to me. Now, some people on the developer side already knew about Bitcoin, what it was going to do in the future, and that's why you hear these people that are billionaires now because of Bitcoin or some of the early coins, Etherum. I remember back when Etherum was like $96, $90-something. Now it's like, 3,100 today. I remember when Bitcoin was 2,300. Like, I watched it at 15 or 16, right around 1,700, and I was like, yo, that's a lot of money just be throwing in the air, not knowing where this is going really. But I heard about it, had my Coinbase account set up, and I was like nervous. I was on edge with that. I bought a couple Bitcoin, and unfortunately for me, when it shot up to 17,000, I sold them. Unfortunately for me, I lost one. I lost half of a Bitcoin in some little pay for play thing. You invest in, and they're gonna double your money, and you put it in these little things that pop up, and this shit took that damn Bitcoin, took that money. So now Bitcoin 40,000 a pop, got up to 60 last year, 60,000. That's big money. But that was when I was messing with this, first started messing with this 4 or 5 years ago. So you just got to understand, a lot of things can happen between there and there. Now I'm conditioned a little different. My attitude towards investing right now is gonna sit there until it bring me what I want, and then I'll think about cashing it in or cashing some in. Maybe I'll just do a 50% cash out, let the rest roll. That way I don't get hit so bad with capital gains tax. But anyway, yeah, because crypto is taxable. Don't get it twisted. You're not going to evade taxes. So listen, let's get into this crypto stock market stuff. A lot of you guys heard of Coinbase. There's a couple of other platforms out there that you can buy and trade and sell and all that stuff. One's called Uphold. I didn't like how you navigate through it. It's kind of difficult to me. Coinbase by far is the easiest. You've got Webull. There's a bunch of other ones. And then on the stock side, you got the probably the most notoriety, the one with the most notoriety, is probably Robinhood. So you guys have heard of Robinhood. You can buy stocks, trade them like the big boys. You can all online on your phone. You can buy some cryptocurrencies on there. You can buy Dogecoin, Etherum, Litecoin, and then they're trying to, speculation is that they're going to list Shiba, a new coin. If they do, I hope so. That's going to be big for me. But anyway, look, just like the last video, don't overexpose yourself to some of this stuff, because if you haven't been doing it for years, I'm not saying don't get into it. I would kind of suggest, even just for the fun of it or the long-term exposure to it, getting into some type of cryptocurrency. I'm going to tell you this though, stick with the top ones right now, and they can fall too. They're just like the stock market. You can lose everything in an instant. So don't think that you're going to run into some safe haven anywhere. Gold, silver, stock market, cryptocurrency, none of it's safe. The only safe place for your hard-earned resources to be would be in your hands in the form of tangible, usable assets. That's what I'm preaching right now. Usable assets that help you keep moving and keeping you and your family supported and alive. So I'm always double back to that. Even though some of this stuff can be fun, to me it's really just stressful. But I've done it. I've positioned myself. Hopefully in the future things would be okay with it, and I'll have some more resources, some more tools to give to my children. Maybe I'll still be here and be able to use it for something, you know, make life a little easier. You never know. It might make life a little harder. The more you have, the more you can lose. So if you get into some millions and millions of dollars, or if you think you're getting into crypto and you're going to make millions and millions of dollars, trust me, just like the real estate business, anything worth having is going to require an exchange in like energy and hours spent. Energy is energy. Energy is time. Time you use to do something, that's energy. It's generated. So it's going to require from you something. Now, some people in life, yeah, they could just get it given to them. They hit the luck button. They're the ones that go to the casino, and the first time they put a coin in, they hit the jackpot. Ding, 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 ding. For the rest of us, 50 gazillion people, that shit just doesn't happen that often. If it does, it just doesn't happen to us. So everything I get or got or have use of, I done hustle for it, I done work for it, I done rack my brains, so on and so forth. I paid for it, okay? So anyway, cryptocurrency to me is going to be the future. We're probably going to see some, I hope we don't, but it's probably going to be some big negative downturn event thing that causes everything to go haywire, because this is how the big boys implement the new stuff. So I see possibly, I'm not a fortune teller, but the way I'm looking at it is they want to get you ready for the new thing while simultaneously taking the old thing from you. Get you a little accustomed and a little used to the new thing so that you heard about it. It's called predictive programming. That's what they do with the movies. So that when they pull and make you hurt the old thing, make you hurt for a while, so fast to jump in the new thing to get the hurt off. That's the way I think things could roll out. Now, is there an escape from all this? I don't know. I don't really care. I'm gonna just do what I do. I'm gonna be on the farm, growing stuff, greenhouse, building stuff, you cutting timber, drying it, making my own wood, stacking up on natural resources. That'll be one of my tools. One of my the segue into farming would be also doing the timber business, having your own sawmill, things like that, things that can actually make stuff, create stuff. If building materials get so high, I'll just start selling some of my choice woods to builders and people doing custom stuff, whatever. Look, whatever situation happens, it's always going to still be rich people and people with money, plenty of it, and they'll switch to the new system and won't even think twice about it. If they can keep their millions in access to things, they're going to switch over quick. They're going to do whatever they got to do to switch over so they're not without all of their accumulated net worth, or whatever you might say it is. So there's still going to be wealthy people, rich people, even in a depression. You just had people who lost everything and became poor, poorer than poor, destitute poor. Then you had the group that still had money, still had buildings, real estate. They were still spending money, having a good time, just laughing it up, enjoying life. And then you have some people under poor that the radar never picked up that was already poor. So you got to know, with cryptocurrency and the stock market, that's what game you're playing with. If you're in a position where you don't have that much, you don't have so much exposure, that's going to be the best position. Because say, well, I'd rather have millions of dollars instead of not having enough money. You haven't lived in a millionaire's lifestyle or problems that occur to them all the time for you to decide that, unless you're a millionaire. It's not as easy as it looks. It's not, they just show you the glamour side. Just put it like that. Hell, I was back in 08, before 08, I was rolling. I mean, I was rolling. Let's just put it like that. $200,000-$350,000 homes, bunch of cars, trucks, whatever I wanted. Credit score 8 gazillion. Cash rolling in. real estate holdings, 26, 27 properties, all this stuff, just flipping stuff, doing stuff, starting a construction, excavating company. I was doing it. Yo, that was back in the day when I was younger. It was like 35 or something, 30 something, right? Moving and grooving. That stock market, the housing bubble. See, that's what caused my demise. Now, what also caused my demise was I was overexposed to the markets. I didn't know that then. I didn't know you could. I just thought I got it popping and it's gonna keep popping. I didn't know that too much exposure to that particular market was gonna be my undoing financially. Didn't know. Didn't have a clue. I know now. So I'm not gonna set myself up with cryptocurrency or the stock market to where I'm in an overexposed condition. I'm not going to overexpose myself to what can happen because I already know they'll just pull the rug out when they want. So cryptocurrency, if you've been curious about it, it's kind of cool. I've made some money at it. I've made some good money. I've taken, 20K and quadrupled it. But then I've also, that same 20K, the markets go down, and then next thing you know, 50% of it could be gone, like in short order. So if you can't afford to invest an amount that you can lose, my suggestion is don't mess with it. Don't even bother with that. Go put that money into some more sure stuff. If you go buy some seeds, some heirloom, y'all better be getting some heirloom seeds too. Don't just be buying seeds to be buying seeds to grow food. Get heirloom seeds, non-GMO heirloom seeds that reproduce the same seed. If you let that tree, that bush, or that plant keep growing, it's going to reproduce heirloom seeds again. The original seed. Don't get these seeds that are all compromised, okay? So, purchase some stuff like that if you want to be sure your investment is in a place where you can survive off it and monetize. Just think, if you just start investing in seeds like it's cryptocurrency, or seeds like it's gold and silver, some people do, and you got boxes and boxes and boxes of seeds. Seeds equal food, not instant food, but food. Seeds will have a higher value, I think, in the near, especially heirloom seeds, because once they take over most of the seed production for your retail locations, all that stuff's going to be GMO stuff. So if you want to put your money somewhere where it will literally grow, no pun intended, if you put it in the ground, put some water on it, it's going to grow. Because all you're going to do with crypto and the stock market stuff, guess what? You're going to make, if you make some money off of the crypto and the stock market, guess what you're going to end up doing with it? Buying food, buying something to drink, paying your water bill, digging a water well, building a shelter to live in. It's called a house. Purchasing some security items to protect you and your family from the increasing criminal activity. If you get $2 million tomorrow, you're still gonna end up needing food, water, shelter, security. I'm gonna say that on every video till you get it. That's where your priorities need to be. Stop following the Hollywood crowd and the mass marketing campaigns. They're gonna string you out there and then they're gonna pull the rug out from under you. Do what's sure to you. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency and be a trader, and that's exciting to you, I say, look, I put the tag below, Run Guys. I follow those guys. They're pretty steady. They got a wealth of information. They got classes. There's other, but at Run Guys, check them out. Check out Run. Shout out to Run Guys. What's up, y'all? Check out Run Guys. See what they got popping as far as classes. Maybe $1,000 investment, man, and they're gonna sit you down and they're gonna teach you those charts. They're gonna teach you how the charts historically work. They're gonna talk about Fibonacci retracements and all kinds of other stuff that I never knew about. So if you want to be a trader with cryptocurrency and be successful at it, go to Run Guys, runguys.com. so on and so forth, and they'll get you fully acclimated before you start investing money in the crypto game and losing it. Go ahead and invest it in how to do it, and then get into it little by little. That would be my suggestion if you're interested in that. If you're just one of them old fogies like me and you don't have time for that because you got children, you got businesses, or you got jobs, you got stuff you got to do, and you really don't have time to sit in front of a computer all day, even if it means making a bunch of money, life is just already too complicated, but you want to get involved, I'll just say this. Go on Coinbase. I'll try to put my link in there, so at least I'll make some money. I'll earn some Bitcoin or something for you clicking on my link. Go on Coinbase, open you an account. You got to connect your bank account. And there again, that's a systematic thing. Don't think you're going to get some cryptocurrency and get outside of the hands, get outside of the reach of the elite, because you got to run this crypto. After you sell it, you got to convert it to dollars. It's going to convert to money once you sell dollars, and then you're going to have to put it in the bank. You can't get it out unless you put it in the bank. They got a thing called staking. So whatever you earn in there, you can stake different coins and earn more coins with your current coin. So that kind of grows in value. I think it's the wave of the future. Yes, I think with the dollar there and all the uncertainties, there's going to be a divorce. Money is going to be a huge financial divorce coming. And that divorce is going to hurt people because they weren't expecting to be divorced from their faithful dollar. You know, you can say what you want about this video. Great, put it in the comment. If you're a hater, keep it moving. I'll find you. Keep it moving. Don't even stop here. If you're somebody who's following the channel and you like what you're hearing, hit the like button. Hit it a couple of times. Call some people, share, tell them like the hell out of this. Major's trying to get the word out. So, crypto, it's fun sometimes. Long term is how you should look at it, just like the stock market. Do not go into this stuff thinking that short term you're gonna just boom I could have done it a couple of times with Dogecoin. I mean, I have made some money. I made some crazy money, like not life-changing money, like, oh, I can now just go drop 50,000 on a cryptocurrency project. I didn't make that kind of money. I need to take the Run Guys class too. Hey, Run Guys, if y'all see this video, why don't y'all get me a complimentary class for Major Gardner, because I'm pumping you. You know what I'm saying? I got you at Run Guys. So shoot that to me if you're feeling lucky, if you're feeling blessed. All right, that's what they say on their channel anyway. So if you're feeling bullish, if you're feeling blessed. So shout out to Run Guys again. PR. So cryptocurrency, if you're gonna go into it, if you're like me, a little older, over 50, looking 35ish, you know what I'm saying? But if you're over 50, if you're up, you don't have time for a bunch of games. You really, life has already played enough games. They're starting to play more. But if I was going to invest in crypto like I am, I'm just holding. My Shiba Inu, till my XRP coin hits $20 or $13, I'm just holding. I'm holding. Whenever it happens, it happens. Whatever I lose, I lose. I know that's not the mentality to have, but I don't have time to keep monkeying around with this stuff. So I'm a holder. I'm a hoodler. HODL. They say huddle or whatever. That's who I am. If I would have just did that with my Bitcoin back in the day and just kept it till now, I'd be up $120,000 off of a $4,000 investment. That's stupid. That's really stupid. So don't take my advice as the end all be all. Like I said in the last video, go do some research on your own. I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been messing with this stuff enough to know how to tell you at least how to look into it. So this video, I think that's long enough. I got your part 4. Cryptocurrency, stock market. Stock market's the same thing. It's the old system. I think crypto is going to be the new. So I don't know for sure, but if you're in the stock game, great. Nothing against it, nothing to it though. I don't invest in the stock market. So it's just way too much stuff going on for me to even grasp what I need to do, what it needs to do for me. I did some stuff last year, could have made a bunch of money, but I sold too soon. There again, I probably need to take some classes. But this is all, you got to have like balls of steel, ladies and gentlemen, for this kind of stuff. If you're trading, if you're going to be a trader, if you're going to hold, you just sit there and relax. Don't care if you lose it. Don't care if you earn it. I'm just putting it over there because taxes was going to get it anyway. Starbucks was going to get it anyway. Marshalls, all these stores was going to get it anyway. Every weekend they've been getting it. So I'm going to just throw some over here. That's how I look at it. So I'd advise you to kind of do the same, because that way emotionally you don't have so much invested in this BS that's still a part of the system. It's still a systematic tool they're using to puppeteer us around. So I don't play puppeteer games. I play what I have to play, but I'm not trying to play stuff I don't know how to play, if you dig. So I hope you're getting some information out of this. This at least lets you know you're not the only one thinking about it. You're not the only one doing it. If you need some help that I could give you, hit me in the comments. If you already know everything, just, share some knowledge then. If you're going to come and troll, just move on. But if you're going to share some knowledge because you know some stuff, go on and put it in the comments. Please don't comment, yo, you should be doing this, Major, or you're doing it the wrong way. Okay, share the knowledge. That way everybody can get it. I don't mind being told I'm doing something the wrong way. That way I can fix it and do it the right way. That's what I'm about. So I'm a real dude. I'm a real G. So I'm gonna tell it like it T.I. is, and we gonna do it like that, okay? So for this video, we are finito, el finito. My Hispanic friends, I guess that's a Spanish word, el finito, sounds like it. But listen, we're finished with this one. Drop some comments, share this information. Stock market, yes or no? Crypto, yes or no? I gave you my twist on it. Go out there and figure out what you need to do for your strategy. And I hope this information helps you decide on how to pull the trigger. At the worst case scenario, don't be the person that never pulls the trigger. Don't be one of those. You're just, your holdings are evaporating. If you want to talk to me about putting it into the farm shares opportunity I have with the 40 acres, I would like to buy 200 acres. I have access to buy another 200 acres on top of the 40 I already have. So if you're interested in the same area, 5 minutes from my farm, I got opportunity to buy a 200 acre farm. You know how big 200 acres is? You like on your own you like your own city, okay? You like your little miniature city. You can't even see the end of it. You don't even know where all your property is. Take you a while to go walk it all. If you're interested in getting into the farm shares environment where you can have a bug out location, any of y'all people that got crypto, you don't know what to do with it, you can't buy nothing with it hardly, come talk to me. Let's put it into farm shares, and then maybe we can make an NFT. If you're in that world, you know what an NFT is. We can make a farm shares NFT and show other people they can invest in it, so on and so forth. Get with me, hit me up. But if you're just a regular person and you got some cash, you're getting stressed out, don't know what to do with it, call Major. I can help you. We're going to roll it into something that's beneficial for you and your family. You're going to get to come and stand on, be a part of. If all hell breaks loose, you got a secondary location to get to with you and your family. We can get it stocked up with everything that you need. Get you a little cabin built. Put you I'm going to say this on this platform because I don't like to divulge too much information, but we can put you a root cellar. You know, root cellars are in the ground, if you know what I'm saying. You can store things in there. So we can get you a root cellar. Listen, we can put this and place this however you want to do it. Bring your four-wheelers out, bring your RV out, do whatever you want, but you got to get with me now while this money has a valid use case, while it's still able to be used for these things. If you keep waiting till the next market collapse thinking you're gonna get something cheaper, you may, but also your money, just know your money's being devalued every single day with inflation. Yo, 50,000 gonna turn into 25. Yo, 1 million could turn into 500 overnight. So look, stress this out. 24 minutes. Let's go. Let's pull some triggers. Hit me in the comments, y'all. I gotta go. This is Major signing off for another kind of cool video. Always remember, watch your 6 out there. Peace. Also, I'm coming with part 4. If this is part 3, I got to come with part 4. Real estate next. I'll hit you with that shortly. Peace.